Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. Negative, we simplify. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, that is from here. So I will put number 1 cone here to find the value of u. So 1 minus number 1, you got number 0. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 gone here. So 1 minus 1 over 2, we have 1 over 2 inside the square root. So u equals to the number 1 over the square root of number 2. So number 1 we change by number 0. Number 2 we change by this one. The square root we change by u. 1 over s squared, the s we change by this one. So number 2 I will put outside. U and u we have u squared. Next, we have the formula in here. So number 2, I will put this one cone here. So 2 plus 1, we have number 3. And I will put the bounds from number 0 to number 1 over the square root of number 2. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have the square root of number 2 over number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.